In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns on Wix Studio. If you're designing a section that needs content displayed side by side, like text next to an image or multiple features lined up, columns are the cleanest, most responsive way to do it in Wix Studio. I'll walk you through the exact places to click, and I'll also share what's happening behind the scenes so you understand why this method works so well. Start in your Wix Studio editor and look to the top left. You'll see the plus icon, which is your gateway to adding elements and layout structures to the page you're working on. Go ahead and click that plus icon to open the panel. This panel keeps all your building blocks organized, so you always know where to find what you need. From there, head into Layout Tools. This is the area designed specifically to help you structure your page with smart, responsive layouts. Inside Layout Tools, look for section grids. Section grids are pre-built column arrangements that drop directly into your section, giving you professional alignment, consistent spacing, and a layout that adapts nicely across screen sizes. Instead of manually guessing spacing or alignment, section grids do the heavy lifting and maintain a clean, consistent design as you add content. Now, simply browse through the column layouts you see, whether that's 2 columns, 3 columns, or more advanced arrangements, and select the one that matches your content. The moment you choose a layout, Wix Studio adds it to your site in the current section. You'll immediately see evenly spaced columns with guides that make it easy to keep things tidy. This approach prevents common design issues like misaligned elements or uneven spacing, which is especially helpful when your page grows or when it's viewed on different devices. That's all it takes to add columns using section grids. It's quick, it's reliable, and it sets you up with a flexible structure that looks great and stays organized as you build. A helpful tip as you choose a layout: think about the type of content you plan to place. For example, if you're pairing a paragraph with a single image, a simple 2-column grid keeps things balanced and readable. If you're showcasing multiple features or services, a 3 or 4-column layout can keep each item clear and consistent. Aim for clarity over complexity. Less is often more when it comes to scannability and visual hierarchy. To recap, click the plus icon at the top left, go to Layout Tools, open Section Grids, and select a column layout. With those simple moves, your section gains a strong professional structure that's ready for your content.